is a real drone. In this drone we have 4 motors, okay, and each motor will have a propeller. So the propellers are made with a different shape, okay. So one by one can come here and check how it is made and how the airflow is created in a drone, okay. So first I will explain you. So listen to this carefully. There are 4 propellers, right? So in the 4 propellers, the opposite ones, okay, the opposite ones should rotate in same direction, okay. That means if this propeller is rotating in clockwise, and this one should also rotate in clockwise, okay, and this one should rotate in anti-clockwise, okay. So this one and this one should rotate in anti-clockwise. Then only the drone will move up, okay. It will create a thrust in the downward direction and it will move up, okay. So once it moves up, it will be stable, okay. It will be stable. If you rotate it in same direction, okay, if all the propellers are rotating in same direction, what will happen? The drone will be starting to rotate like this, okay. So in order to stop the movement in the same direction, in order to stop it spinning in the same direction, we use a technique of controlling the drone's propellers, moving it in opposite direction. So when these two are in same direction and these two are in opposite direction, what happens? This one makes a force in this movement and this one makes a force in this direction. So finally the drone stays stable in air, okay. It will not rotate left or rotate right, it will always stay stable in air. We can take a clear footage using a camera, okay. So if you don't have clear footage, what will happen? It is waste of flying the drone, right? In order to get a clear footage, we need to have a stable flight. For that, what we do? We use a technique. So in this technique, what happens? The drone's propeller are rotating in opposite direction. The adjacent propellers are rotating in opposite direction. Okay? The opposite propellers are rotating in same direction. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now one by one can come to the place and check how the propellers rotate in same direction and how they create a different force in all the 4 directions. Okay. So we will check and we can come here and check. Okay.